This is Galaxy TV and I'm New Sheep with weather. Today we are seeing cloudy skies with a couple of marshmallow nebulas. Temperature is expected to drop by noon. There's a 70% chance of drizzling soda in the evening, so don't forget to carry an umbrella. Next with breaking news. A galactic snail crossing the road is causing a traffic jam on the asteroid belt. Please make a detour and cruise safely. Upcoming, we would like to announce that a manga cover Galaxy Gazette has finally reached 100 subscribers. She is on live now. Good morning, Sakura Sakura.
Hello, Mushi. Thanks for having me.
I'd like to present to you a few questions from our readers. First, why did you make the Rice Bug comic?
It's because I hate the education system here. As a student and teacher, I needed a place to vent.
Okay, question number 2. Is the superhero public servant going to come back in the story? I wonder where he is.
I see you missed him a lot, but he's just an opening character. His purpose was to let people understand his attitude towards work.
Question number 3. Is Strawberry's career transition an autobiography?
It's kinda like one. The story is inspired by real-life scenarios, but it's not 100% true.
Question number 4. Are you looking for an artist? I'm open to commissions.
No, I'm not. I think my art style is already established. I want to draw with minimal effort. At this stage, the art of not trying by Lao Tzu is my way of life. I'm also a big fan of One Sensei, Onion Man, and Gakuen Hensem.
Question number 5. Draw loose stuff. Don't you want more readers?
No, I don't want to be forced to do what I don't like to please other people. I'd like to thank my readers for their support. Let's make our next benchmark 300 subs.
That's all the news we have for today. See you later. Matane!